Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Geeky Fussy. Today I have another interesting product from the Xiaomi ecosystem. That is a Xiaomi Portable Electric Air Compressor. So let's get started. But before I start, don't forget to hit the like button, share it, subscribe it, and do hit the bell notification for the latest updates. So let's get started. This is the package for the portable electric air compressor. As you can see, it is designed in a compact way. So this is, as mentioned, it is a preset pressure, small and convenient, and built-in lithium battery. Please note this is the Indian packaging, and the packaging which is available outside comes in a white color box. So here are the capacity, the details of the description. It's a 2000 milliamp battery and 5 volt 2 ampere charging. It has the inflation pressure range from 0 0.2 to 10 bar or 3 to 145 psi. So let's see what is the content. MRP is 3499, but I purchased for 2499, which is available on various sites in India. So let's get started. Okay, guys. So this is I'm unboxing it. Let us see what is the contents in the box. So as you can see, this is the packaging for it. Okay. So this is approximately half a kg weight. It has a charging port given on the lower part. Let's keep this aside. Let's see what all other contents are available. This is the leaflets. This is the USB port. It's let's see which type of adapter it is. Okay guys, this is a micro USB cable. It has an additional attachments. This is for to inflate the ball. This is another set. Okay, there's a nice carrying pouch also to store it. Nice, it's nice and handy. So guys, let's power on the device. So guys, to switch it on, it is very simple. You just have to pull the hose out, and as you can see, it's powered on. And here you can set the PCI as per your requirement, and it will automatically stop once it's reached the desired pressure. Then you have several preset modes, like this is for the bicycle mode, this is the two-wheeler mode, this is for the car, and this is for the ball. But do note that for the ball and all, you'll have to keep it under control because it won't automatically switch off due to the lower PCI requirement. Apart from that, it has at indicator light. Orange means the charge is between 20 to 50%. If it's white means it's more than 50%, and if it's red means it's below 20%. And on the lower part you will see charging port, which is a micro USB. And it's very simple, just pull it, close it. And the sound level, it's between 75 to 80 dB. As I'll just show you the sound. I'll just switch on the compressor. Switch off. So it's interference is very simple. There's even the LED light given, which will help during dark conditions. So guys, let's test it on my car. Let's inflate my car tire pressure. I started doing a round from 18 psi to 35 psi. So it's almost now 2 minutes, nearing 2 minutes. Almost 32 psi, and it's almost 5 minutes. Okay guys, it's stopped automatically. It took approximately 6 minutes and 10 seconds to inflate the tire from 19 psi to 35 psi. Okay guys, so how do you like about my review for this unit, the Mi electric pump? And my verdict, it's a nice, handy and a beautiful looking device. It's including a carry pouch with it. It's good for emergency usage in case when you park the vehicle overnight and morning when you come to realize that there have been a small puncture, as tubeless tires, it takes a long time for the air to deflate. So you can just fill the air, drive to a nearest tire shop and fix your puncture. Otherwise, weekly once also, if you check your tires for pressure, as you know, you may have noticed it hardly deflates, maybe up 1 psi, 2 psi, maximum inside 5 psi. So a nice sturdy device. You can surely, it's a good thing to keep one in your vehicle, or even if you're a bike rider, to store it in your carry bag, or at least keep it in your home for emergency usage. So guys, do comment on what you feel about this device and give your valuable feedback. And as I've mentioned, there's a special giveaway coming soon, which will be announced sooner. And it'll for that, the simple thing, I have a geeky face page on Instagram, which I'm updating the page very shortly. You just have to subscribe, like it and subscribe it. And even same thing with my YouTube channel, just subscribe my channel, like my video, and do watch till the end, because that is very important, the watch time. It's not like you just play the video for a short while and stop it. You have to watch till the end. The watching viewing hours is also important for me. And like, share, and your valuable comments. So that's it guys, have a nice day. Thank you, take care, have